We are on row 7 and 8 on our lightning pattern. Put our fringe in. Our white weaver's ready to weave up to the black fringe loop. One over 2 and 1, and then 2, 2, 2, 2, and I'm ending with a 1 and a 2. Getting our black weaver, making sure the ends are even. Setting up the loop fringe. Grabbing the white weaver, doing a double turn. Taking the top black and the top white and making them a pair for row 7. And then the bottom pair is going to be row 8, so that's going to go up and away. Double turn for 2 black. And then we have 2 white. Double turn, 2 white, 2 black. Double turn, 2 white, double turn for the 2 white. Now we have on row 7 we have 2 black on 2 warps, 2 white on 2 warps, 2 black on 2 warps, and 2 white on 2 warps. And then here we have 2 warps of black, and then we're going to double turn, and it goes to 4. And looking at this pattern, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars of 4 blacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here's 1 going over 4 blacks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. Reposition, and we're at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to go over 4 of white, double turn to do 2 warps of white. And then we're going to follow these bars so we know up above was 4, 4, 4, 4. So now we need to break those 4s into 2s. So 2 black, double turn, 2 black, 2 white, double turn, 2 white, 2 black, double turn, 2 black, 2 white, double turn, 2 white, 2 2 warps of black, double turn, repeat, 2 warps of white, double turn, repeat, 2 warps of black, double turn, and repeat. I'm just going to be stationed and wait to be woven. Now we're ready for row 8. We're ready for row 8. Bring these down, and we know that we need to bring the white weaver behind 2 more warps so black can go over 4 warps. We're going to go black, white over 4, black, white, and black over 4. This is the way I like to read this pattern on row 8. So we went black over 4, white, black, white, black. So black, white, black, white, black. And now we're going to do a double turn for black to repeat over 4. And black is going to go over 4, black, white, and 11 blacks of 4 groups. So there's 1, 2, 3, the third group of 4 blacks. So we go 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th black going over 4, and we're done with row 8. Isn't that a fun way to read the pattern and weave? One way is finding patterns within the pattern, so you're not constantly trying to look at your graph and trying to make sure you're doing the 2 or the 4, how many over. It's just one fun way to work the weaving patterns. And now we're going to continue and end, put in our fringe, and then do our side fringe. I'm going to be ready for row 9 and 10.